All right, what's going on, everybody? So it's about like 2 o'clock in the morning and I'm anxious. So I went for a walk. I'm just trying to get out of my own head. I've got a trade on Amazon. I'm short on Amazon puts, and the option contracts expire next or actually this Friday. They expire like this Friday. So I could wake up tomorrow and be a lot better off than I am today, or I could be substantially down on this trade. I still have like $900 cash in the trading account after that. And you guys got to remember, I took this account all the way down to 175 and brought it back to like 1600 until today, and it's down to about 1300 because I was down $300 on the trade, but I decided to stay in. We got a lot going on. I mean, later today, the CPI report. Is the market even going to react to that? We also have the interest rate hikes. Is it going to be 25 basis points, or are we going to get that 50 basis point rate hike? Is Powell serious about trying to get inflation under control? And are we going to see more headlines about failing banks? Are more banks going to fail? Is this what the Fed wants? Do they want to wreck the markets and the regional banks and all the banks that are still spending too much money and all the zombie corporations? But the government stepped in. The market kind of liked it, but we didn't really close, very well. It wasn't an exciting close. There was almost like a double top pattern. I'm hearing the term kangaroo market, and I've never traded in a kangaroo market. So, a lot is kind of riding on the line for me. Not necessarily just in this trade, but, if I could just get this right, things would be a lot better for me. I would be a lot happier. My family would be a lot happier. And, I'd be in a much better situation, obviously, right? So, I guess I'm just sort of thinking about all of that. I haven't uploaded to this channel in a while because it's just been a very frustrating February. There hasn't really been much to talk about. I mean, I guess the biggest accomplishment was taking the account all the way down to $175, and without depositing any more money, I brought it back up to 1600. Today it was down to about 1300. I was down to about 1100 at one point, but it did come back a little bit because I'm short on the puts. So we'll see what happens. I'm excited, but I'm nervous, and this is kind of the way I trade. Like, I do put on overnight trades, even though I hate it. Sometimes it's worth taking the risk. We will see. We will find out tomorrow. I just had to get outside, go for a walk, get some fresh air. Because I was really trying to study the markets today, and it was kind of rainy all day long, so I didn't really go anywhere. And I'm also working on this tax stuff. I've got a tax situation that I'm dealing with, so it's a lot of paperwork. So I was doing that all day long and just kind of following the markets, looking for headlines. There weren't any headlines today that other than when Biden came out this morning. There really wasn't much to talk about. So I think the markets initially were excited about the Fed intervention, but is the first response even going to be enough? So you guys leave your thoughts down below, because I need some help. You know what I mean? I need to learn as much as I can, and I know there's people out there that know a lot more than I do. So I'll see you guys on the next video.